show you guys me waxing my armpit. I hope you enjoy this video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. This is my wax, so I just went to reheat it. So guys, let's just start this. Oh god. Okay, I'll be using, this is my strip that I'll be using. So let's just do this. Oh yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to put this, so I'm just winging it. Oh, oh. I don't know how this is done, so let me press. Ow! Let's do the second one. It was not as painful as I thought. Oh my god. Let's do the other one. Okay. It's not as painful as I thought it was going to be. Let's do this. We're doing this. Ow! Oh my god. Guys, this is what it looks like after. This is what it looks like after. Okay. Okay. I realized you're supposed to put baby powder on before you do this so that it'll be less painful. I don't know how it's done. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me go through pain. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you. Thumbs up this video. Just give this video as many likes, then I'll do down there. So guys, I can already imagine the pain. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.